So here we have a chainsaw sawmills. So it comes in two parts, two boxes. This is what comes in the first box, which is this item right here. And it comes with the tools you need, gloves, the wedges, and these other items. The second box is this one, which comes with this 9-foot part. So this is everything. I didn't take everything out yet, but you can see it has the tools also, all the screws you need, 2 wedges, gloves, and all the parts. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how it looks. When you get to this part, these screws with the handles, so this is one piece which looks like this one, just smaller, and then you have this on top. So when you put in the screws, these are them, they look like this. So this little piece slides into the rail, and then you connect it. So same thing with these. This one has a rail underneath, you slide it in, you put it in the washer and then the nut, you slide in the bolt, washer, and then the nut on both sides, just so you know. So let's go ahead and connect this one. So here's the final product of one box. So this is what it looks like. You have the protective sleeve over there, which you bend on the outside, and you have these bended this way on this side. And then make sure you put the screws on this side and the nut is on this side. Mine came the other way, but on the picture it shows it like that. It's just a lot easier. You get the Phillips screwdriver on this side, you can't get the Phillips screwdriver on this side. So make sure, if it's the opposite way, you flip them. So the Phillips on the inside, on the outside, and the nuts on the inside. The handle's here, the bar goes right above the handle in here. Yeah, not too hard to build. The instructions were pretty simple. So here I have the 2 pieces assembled. I just didn't do it all the way. Each of these is 3 feet. So that's 3 feet. If you want to extend it, you slide this little bracket right here. 2 on this side and 2 on the connecting piece, just like that one. And you see the butterfly nuts on the bottom. These ones. So if you want to make it, this is 3 feet. Right now I have it at 6 feet, so you can make it 9 feet long in total. So the way this works, you just set this on your log. This is the dog component, the little spike, which holds it in place. And then this rail slides on top of this. Your chainsaw goes pinched right there and right there. And the cool thing about this is adjustable, so you can make it any size. The long chainsaws, the shorter chainsaws, whatever you want to add to it. And then here, you grab it and you slide it. It has the measurements on the side also. So that's pretty cool. It has it right here, and it has it over here. So the tip of the chainsaw goes on this side. This is a little protective cover, so when it goes past it, you don't have to worry about it or anybody getting cut. The base, the chainsaw part, the bottom goes here, and then just the blade goes there. So really nice if you want to cut your own wood, cut your own logs. This is it. Really nice, pretty quick to assemble. So there you have it.